on. Launch!
What the fuck is your problem, dude?
Everything. But, yeah, we're doing another taste test.
Yum.
And we get all these nice little things. And I cannot wait until my couch comes in the mail.
Pumpkin chips. If I like these, I have to figure out which one you got that from.
I think it was from that one Asian place, or no, the Zoni. But let's go with that one. What was from the 89-cent store? It was from the city. So we got crazy pumpkin chips. This thing's really inflated, which makes it hard to open. Where the hell are the scissors?
I don't know, where the hell did you put them?
They're behind you.
Damn, and I couldn't cut her.
That smells like pumpkin.
Yes, it does.
I'm not sure I'm gonna like this. So it has the kind of the green rind from the pumpkin and everything. Just tastes like the time I tried to make pumpkin chips. I'm both grossed out and enjoying.
I agree.
Well, it is made with pumpkin, sugar, salt, margarine, and palm oil.
Well, no wonder it looked greasy.
I don't know what to think.
Me either.
That's, ugh. Aftertaste is terrible.
Correct.
Okay, vetoed. Time for tea. Okay, we didn't get to this last time. We probably had this before. Kit Kat Dark. I don't know if we had this because I don't remember having something that way. So you see it's a nice dark color. Oh, that's something. Not a fan of the dark chocolate, but it was handled okay. The wafer
Too much chocolate, not enough wafer.
But the wafer does mellow out the bitterness of the chocolate. So what next? The apple pie one?
Okay.
Let's see. This one's less melted. Okay, this is the apple pie Kit Kat. It's a limited edition one as well.
Why do we put ourselves through this?
To amuse ourselves.
I just got the chilies.
Oh, these are really melted.
That's a big piece.
Well, they're two little wafers. Or do you want half a wafer?
Half a wafer.
Okay, so this is what it looks like. It looks like white chocolate.
Smells good.
Yep. Kind of tastes like a spiced apple pie, doesn't it? I don't know why it's telling me about my resources at the bottom right here.
Will it be in our video?
No. It just keeps yelling at us.
Not a fan.
It's weird. I won't reject it, but it's an odd thing. So, yeah.
Banana.
So, we got these crazy banana chips. And this one actually... Wait, no, that was just a crease. These things are hard to open.
You know you got scissors, right?
Yes.
Is she a blonde? Yeah, yeah, yeah.
That is the weirdest smelling banana chip I've ever had.
I don't do banana chips.
Okay, this is the same ingredients except for take out the pumpkin and put banana. That's a mediocre banana chip. I've had worse, but I've had way better. I've made way better.
Conceited much?
I have a dehydrator. You've had my dried fruits. You've had my jerky. My jerky's not as good. Unless you want to be woken up. So what next onto our pile? Because we got cheesy balls. We got Milo, ginger ale, and a bunch of sweets. This is over here.
I don't know. You pick.
Let's try Milo. Okay, so I got this because somebody I know is named Milo, and apparently there's a energy drink called Milo.
Which reminds me, did you put the other drinks in the fridge?
The ones I just got? No. I will. So, I don't know much about this. Apparently it's a healthy drink and it's chocolate flavored energy drink. So this is going to be interesting. So
basically she's trying to kill me. Ew. Ew.
Milo, you taste like crap.
I was trying to swallow as you were saying that.
This tastes like chocolate water.
I don't like it.
Okay. You pick something while I throw Milo out. Alright, Milo.
Sorry, Milo, you suck.
At least your drink does.
Next, we're going to try 200 calories per pack Twix triple chocolate.
Twix. I wonder if it's going to be anything like the ice cream.
I don't know.
The ice cream was good.
I know.
And look, it's not melted.
That's a good thing.
Oh, I forgot about this part. It's underwhelming.
You had high expectations for the ice cream.
The ice cream is 100 times better. I also forgot a stick bag for us. There.
Your turn.
But I do have these in case we do the gingy.
Your turn.
Because I got these yesterday for her, I want her to have them. I was at Aldi's and I got these chocolate peanut butter candy cookies made with Reese's Pieces. So,
Sounds yummy.
they look really good for a Reese's thing. Which one? I found another cereal that I'm going to put on that cereal taste test thing. Are you sure you want to do one with me?
Depends on what cereal we have.
I don't know. Do you want to break one in half?
No.
No.
But I like that they're cold.
Well, they weren't in the fridge. For me, this would probably taste better nuked a little bit, so it's a little melty. But despite the fact that it's brown like this, it's very chocolatey. I mean, peanut buttery.
If I had a glass of milk, I could dunk it and smush cookies in the milk and make a pudding.
I'm not gonna ask.
But I do like it a lot.
All I know is that she's gonna be kidnapping these.
Or eat them when I see her again.
True. She might leave them at my house and go, these are mine. Because as nice as they are, the only way I'd end up eating them normally would be for certain times of the month.
I would eat them anytime.
That's because you also like peanut butter. But they have enough chocolate for me to be like, oh yeah.
For a second there, I thought you only had one earring in your ear.
I have both. I can feel both. Okay. So what other ones do you want?
That's good with my olive oil.
Crazy Crisps. These are their sweet potato chips.
Are sweet potatoes actually purple?
Some of them are. This is more of the taro type.
What do you mean?
There is such a thing as a purple yam.
Let me kill you.
You wanted savory. I picked up savory. Yuck.
That's a no.
If I didn't dislike sweet potato chips beforehand, that's definite.
Alright, so listen. I like sweet potatoes. I like sweet potato chips. I've had good sweet potato chips. That is not good sweet potato chips.
I've had good sweet potato. Blah, 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 blah. I go with you.
Because I got a bag, I forget if it was Walmart I got it at, or if I got it at Dollar Tree. One of them, I had gotten sweet potato chips. And it wasn't that brand. It was a different brand. It was really good. That, you could taste the oil, you could taste the grease. And it's just
And it doesn't feel like the right potato.
correct. Alright, what's next?
Well, we got cheesy balls, we got our gummy selection, we got Oreos, and we got Bold.
Let's do a candy.
Okay, you pick the candy.
Let's do Starburst.
I hate these ones.
You're gonna hate the Sour Patch too.
I'm gonna hate them all.
We do these two together though, because they're basically the same, just fishies and people.
Fishies and people. Okay, so these are gummies from Starburst, and these are the sour ones. I'm going to shove these into somebody's face.
Have you had them?
No. I hate sour candy.
Somebody at work brought them in, and I've only had the blue one, and I was obsessed.
Well, bright sides, I think these are only $1.
And I still have Starburst in my pocket, in my apron for work.
I'm just having issues today.
She's having technical difficulties, motherfuckers.
Oh, well, the sugar smells overload.
We need to tag someone in this video.
Okay, I got the red one.
That's blue.
Oh. I don't like sour. That wasn't the worst sour thing I've ever had, but still don't like it. Good flavoring. Oh my god, I feel it more.
Mm-hmm.
Why am I feeling it more? I finished the candy!
That's
God! Here, parade this around work going,
I'll put them in a Ziploc bag.
I feel like I'm gonna drool.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Then eat another cookie.
I don't want another cookie.
Then eat a chicken roll.
I don't want to eat a chicken roll just yet.
Then eat a Kit Kat.
Hell no. We found something she loves, which is a lot easier than me apparently. You know, one of these days somebody's gonna go through all our videos and go, these are the things she likes, these are the things you like. If we ever become famous, somebody's gonna just do that just to mock us.
Who would actually do that?
I don't know, a fan, if we ever had one.
My aunt's our fan.
True. But she is not that bored. So, what candy treat thingy Bobby do you want next? Oreo came out of the lemon. This is two things I hate. Oreo came out of the lemon. I'm going to die.
Alright, so I like Oreos and I like lemons. I don't know if they would be put together though.
I dislike both. This smells fake. It looks like this. Am I eating Pledge?
Get rid of that before it gets all over because there's a hole in this bag and I didn't know it.
Ah, motherfucker. Okay. That tastes like Pledge. Which led me to the funny thing. Somebody asked me once, why do you know what Pledge tastes like? And it's like, siblings!
You can take that to work with you.
Yes! I ate Pledge. What next? Do we need something bold? Do we need something sweet? Do we need something cheesy?
I'd rather do cheesy than sweet than bold. That way you can wash your palate from the sweet.
So what cheesy do you want?
Surprise me.
I'll go with the one I dislike more. Well, I don't need scissors for this part. So, Planters actually came out with cheese balls. Which, apparently they used to have cheese balls when I was a wee tot. And that, apparently they were for the shit. Because everybody loved them. So, they finally are making Planters cheese balls again.
For whatever reason.
I know, it's kind of weird. Where's the... These are the nacho cheese ones, and oh my god, I just got a whiff of nacho cheese up my nostrils. Well, I'm awake. I also think I'm gonna have nacho cheese brain. They look like little asteroids. Wow. That is potent.
Alright.
I mean, they're not like the best or the worst thing in the world. I'm like, yeah, they're pretty good. But they did really good making the nacho cheese stick around everywhere.
Good point.
So that's a pretty good cheese ball. We've had way worse ones.
Yes, we have.
I am so happy that does not taste like styrofoam. So are we doing another cheesy? This one is their white cheese balls, which apparently were the best ones.
For whatever reason.
This is a white cheddar. That just smells like a package.
I don't know about that.
Looks like a moon. Why do I taste jalapeno?
I don't know.
Why is it spicy? Can you taste the spice?
A little bit.
That is weird.
That is weird.
It's not on the package, is it? Fuck them.
Watch them bend over so you can.
Here's nuts already.
Oh my God.
Mm-hmm.
Whichever.
Okay.
I find this funny.
Yeah. She went to the store, got this. Did not know that I got this one a few months prior. They're both the Crush Mix. This one's the Sour Patch. I'm going to do the Sour Patch so I can have some relief from the sour before we get to the soda, just in case it makes it worse. So Sour Patch Crush.
Yes.
Shut up, I know I suck at opening packages.
And then she wonders why I need Ziploc bags half the time when I'm at her house.
Oh my god, that smells like it smells like it's covered in Kool-Aid.
Yeah. Crush is a soda.
I know
Crush
Crush
is made by Kool-Aid, I believe.
Oh, it smells like they're covered in Kool-Aid. Which, never try and drink the Kool-Aid powder without the Kool-Aid mix, because it would be the most sour thing in the world. Oh my god!
You grabbed lemon too, that was the funny part. I saw you grab the yellow one too.
Mommy?
Did you see what color I grabbed?
No. Orange.
Not that bad. Try an orange one.
No! I'm drooling. So sour, I'm drooling.
Pardon her exploits. What's that bad?
Flavor-wise, it's pretty good.
Somehow these got opened. They're opened. They weren't opened when I brought them to you.
Probably got scratched on the thing.
Okay. So they're stale. They're not going to taste good.
Okay, so this is the Swedish Fish one. And it's also Crush.
Might as well find a lemon one.
That also smells like it's covered in Kool-Aid. Are you telling me to pick out a lemon one again? Would you?
That way you can compare them.
Tastes like plastic.
I think if this was a Sour Patch, it would be good. I like the Sour Patch ones better.
That one sticks to my teeth. Sour Patch is better because it doesn't stick to your teeth. But at the same time, I don't like either of them.
Of course you don't.
I don't like Sour Patch because they're sour, and I don't like Swedish Fish because they taste like plastic.
Of course you don't.
Okay, time for our last thing of the time. Here's yours. And this is mine. And yes, despite the fact that they look like that, I've cleaned them like repeatedly. Okay, so this is Canada Dry Bold Ginger Ale.
She's gonna kill me. Why is it so bold?
I don't know. It just says it's bold. That came off rather easily. God, I hope this isn't stale.
Why would soda be stale?
Okay, I hope it hasn't lost its fizz. Because that came off way easier than I thought it would.
No, it's still got this.
That one has more of a bite to it.
Mm-hmm.
I don't hate it. I don't. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's getting more of a bite as I talk.
Alright, I'm curious.
This would do very well with alcohol.
Why is Canada Bold Ginger Ale called Canada Bold Ginger Ale? Why is it called Canada Dry Bold?
According to Wikipedia, the dry in the brand's name refers to not being sweet as in a dry wine. When John J. McLaughlin, who first formulated Canada Dry Pale Ginger Ale, originally made his new soft drink, it was far less sweet than other ginger ales then available. As a result, he labeled it dry.
Okay. Why is it called Bold Ginger Ale?
Because it bites.
According to Delish.com, it's called Canada Dry Bold, and it was spotted by Instagrammer and Snackstalker in stores after making waves online in February. People have been pretty psyched about it because it promises lots and lots of bold ginger flavor, and according to comments on Snackstalker's post, it looks like it delivers just that.
Some more gingy.
And spicy.
It does have a kick. You try making mimosas with that.
Go for it.
I ain't doing that. But yeah, so that was our taste test today.
Yep.
Hope you enjoyed.
Bye.
Toodles.